All right, and here's the big boy right here. I don't know how to pick it up. I probably need some help. This thing is heavy. Whoa.
Just a little bit.
There we go. Here's our heat press. So here it is. It's way bigger than I expected. It feels really sturdy. Like, look at that. Yeah. So it feels real nice quality for the price. And I don't know, maybe we should just test it, right? Let's go. Overall, this is a really great press. You get what you paid for. It's not like one of those heat presses that you get from Amazon. This one has a nice quality and it's really good, especially for beginners. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.